What if I told you that AI can help you make money while you sleep? Yes, AI is changing the way people create passive income, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AI to build automated income streams in 2025. Stick around because I'll be revealing the top AI tools that can generate income on autopilot, and the last one might just blow your mind. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss my latest videos on AI, online business, and passive income. AI is no longer just for tech geeks. It's now a tool that anyone can use to start an online business and make money passively. But what exactly is passive income? It's income that keeps flowing in with little to no daily effort after the initial setup. And with AI, we can automate that setup process even faster. Right now, AI is being used to create digital products with zero effort, automate content creation for YouTube, blogs, and social media, run online businesses with minimal human input. Sure. 1. AI-generated digital products. You can use AI to create ebooks, online courses, printables, and more, all without having to write a single word yourself. Best AI tools, ChatGPT, for writing and generating book content. Canva AI, for designing book covers and graphics. Midjourney and DALL-E, for creating original AI-generated artwork. People are making thousands of dollars per month selling AI-generated planners, templates, and even workbooks. 2. AI-powered YouTube automation. Did you know you can run a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Best AI tools, Synthesia and HeyGen for AI avatars that speak for you. 11 Labs for realistic AI voiceovers. Pictory and Runway, ML, equals for AI video creation. AI can generate your scripts, voiceovers, and even video content, so all you have to do is upload and monetize. 3. AI-generated print on demand, POD. AI-generated art is now being used to sell t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more without touching inventory. Best AI tools, Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. Generate unique designs. Printify and Redbubble. Sell custom products without inventory. Imagine making money every time someone buys a product you never even touched. 4. AI affiliate marketing. What if you could make commissions just by recommending products and AI did all the work for you? Best AI tools, ChatGPT, writes product reviews and scripts. Jasper AI creates high-converting content. Canva makes professional marketing visuals. Set up automated emails, social media posts, and blogs that drive passive affiliate sales without writing anything yourself. AI is changing the game, and if you start now, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. Want to learn more? Visit www.profitwithbea.com for free resources. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which AI money-making method are you most excited to try? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered income strategies.